everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Chain. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on the river from the 18th to the 22nd of April 2022 on Monday. Some Dikanas realize that their enemies don't match the usual profile. Mabutho finally gets to see the result of his hard work on Tuesday. Andile discovers just how powerless he is, while Charlie reaches a new level of crazy on Wednesday. Mabutho is upset to learn that working closely with a friend means more trouble than he anticipated. The Dikana holds to hope and prayer as they wait for news on Thursday. Mabutho makes a decision about his future, while Zulani wants to take a bite out of the enemies on Friday. Lindwe ends with his breakthrough in the search for their loved one is not what they expected. Mabutho's new path proves to be more than he began for. Guys, this is all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.